Have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1967 Shelby GT500 recreation. Triple black, 351 Cleveland, ice cold air, power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator, power top. Just a super, super nice car. Very strong running vehicle. Got the Lucas fog lights, slick paint, super nice car. Top is like new, interior's fantastic, paint's like looking into a black mirror, straight body, just a nice, nice car. Full spare in the back, tools. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. This thing has red oxide floors that is absolutely gorgeous. Super nice car. Power antenna, upgraded sound system, power top, does have the convertible boot. All the chrome trim, bright work is very nice on the car. Little imperfection there on the bumper. There was a couple small chips that have been touched up that I saw, but overall, just a really, really nice paint. Dash is great. Set all the chrome. Corner windows. Power windows. Interior is very nice. Obviously has the roll bar. Chip, well, thought that was a chip. Said there's a little bit of wear on the handle here. There's a tiny chip there. Paint is really nice on this car. Extremely nice. Jams are all done. It's like a black mirror. You'll find these at www.westportautocenter.com. Teeny chip there, we'll touch that up. If you want to fly in and check this car out in person, St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. Forward us your flight itinerary, we'll be happy to pick you up. Take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, take it out for a ride, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Or again, www.westportautocenter.com. video, subscribe to our channel, help us grow. Leave your feedback below. Any comments, suggestions, tell us what you think about the car. Again, subscribe to the channel, www.westportautocenter.com. Just to recap, 1967 Shelby GT500 Tribute Recreation, powered by a strong 351 Cleveland automatic, power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power windows, ice cold air, full gauges, power top, upgraded custom sound system, roll bar. Just a super nice car.